Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we've got something that's going to elevate your typing and navigation experience, the EDJO 2.4G Full-Sized Ergonomic Computer Keyboard. Whether you're working or gaming, having the right keyboard and mouse combo can make all the difference. Let's dive into the details. First off, let's talk about comfort. The EDJO full-sized wireless keyboard is ergonomically designed with a built-in palm rest and folding holder. This design helps prevent wrist strain during those long typing sessions. It's also equipped with anti-slide pads, ensuring the keyboard stays in place even when you're typing quickly. Your comfort matters. Setting up your workspace should be hassle-free. That's why the EDJO keyboard and mouse combo uses a single 2.4 GHz USB receiver that connects both the keyboard and mouse. No need to download any software, it's a simple plug-and-play setup. The wireless connection is powerful and reliable, reaching up to 33 feet without any delays. Let's talk about power efficiency. The EDJO combo features an automatic power-saving function. If you stop using the keyboard for more than 30 minutes or the mouse for more than 25 seconds, they will enter sleep mode to save power. This extends battery life significantly. Plus, you can reactivate the devices by clicking any button. The keyboard requires 1 hour battery, and the mouse requires 1 hour battery. Now, let's focus on the wireless optical mouse. It's designed for precision, even on smooth surfaces. It's also symmetrically designed, making it suitable for both right-handed and left-handed users. Compatibility is crucial, and the EDJO combo has got you covered. It's compatible with desktops, Chromebooks, PCs, laptops, and more. If you ever encounter any issues during use, don't worry. EDJO provides excellent after-sales service. Just contact them via Amazon email, and they'll ensure you get a satisfactory solution. So, there you have it. The EDJO 2.4G Full-Sized Ergonomic Computer Keyboard and Mouse Combo. It's all about ergonomic comfort, seamless connectivity, and power efficiency. Whether you're typing up reports or conquering your favorite games, this combo is here to enhance your experience. If you're interested in picking up the EDJO 2.4G Full-Sized Ergonomic Computer Keyboard and Mouse Combo or any other tech gear, check out the links in the description below. And, as always, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the UK Pro Reviewer channel, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, type and navigate comfortably with EDJO.